Hello everyone and welcome to today's video. Today's video is going to be about how to fix OTP not received on phone. The first and foremost method that you can try is by turning on airplane mode, waiting for 5 to 10 seconds, toggling it back off, and then try resending the code. If that does not work, then instead of the message button, use the call button so that you get the code via a call. If that still does not work, you can head over to the messaging or your phone app and make sure that you have not blocked any of the numbers that actually send you the code. For that, you can open the Messages app and check your spam and blocked folder. You can also head over to the phone app, tap on the three lines at the top left of the screen, hit settings, and then check for blocked numbers. If there are any blocked numbers over here, then unblock them and try resending the code. Also, if you've tried to send the code too many times before this, you will have to wait for 24 to 48 hours before trying again. For any further questions, please feel free to leave a comment down below.